Our society, be it a Western society, Eastern society, be it a metro society, be it a rural society, be it a city society, or be it a village society. Our society need to have certain class of people, certain class of contributors to exist. If something is some contributors are missing, there will be a problem, and the problem will be in terms of security, stability, and prosperity. So let us understand what all contributors, what all classes of contributors are required for a happy society. Now, understanding this, we need to understand that there are some rules which has to be taken care by the rulers. There should be some mentors, some guides for the ruling, that is called the teacher or the trainer. There should be some protectors, that is very much important, and there should be some business people. Now, apart from these four classes, that is rulers, the guide, the protector, and the trading person, apart from these four classes, whatever we have that is not at all counted in the contributions, their contributions are there, they are the count, and that count can be understood as a common people, mango people, or whatever you want to call, you call it. Now, the moment we understand that these four classes are important, that is the rulers class, that is the guiding classes, that is the protector classes, and that is the trading classes, it's very easy to find out that in which class we fall and which class is dominating in the society. This parameter is a very basic understanding to know about the society. Say, there are a couple of societies which is dominated by the rulers. There are majority of the societies across the world nowadays is dominated by the trading people. There was some societies in our history where the guidance was dominating, and there is no doubt that there are many times when the protectors has become dominating in the society. So it is very important to understand and accept the reality of the society and choose one of the contribution field which interests you most, and that is going to give you the satisfaction and the sense of fulfillment. Okay, so see you again. Thank you.